on the dyno, you guys got, what, 114 wheel horsepower, is that correct?
Yeah, 114, we're at 6,000 feet.
All right, hey, would this be a review video if we didn't drop that sexy music? Doesn't do it. Sounds good. Hold it, hold it. A lot of stuff going on around here.
A lot of stuff. I think they've got a few motorcycles to move inside. Like what, 5, 6, 10?
50.
Probably 100.
Man, what a cool dealership this is. Hey guys, this is Brandon Davison from Davison Audio. And if you don't know me, I'm Fish from Ridingfish right here. And we just so happened, he's from Florida, I'm from Minnesota. We met up here in Colorado Springs, Colorado at Indian Motorcycle of Pikes Peak, or Pikes Peak Indian Motorcycle. I never know which way to say it. All right, so we got the chance here to ride one of, if it isn't one of the baddest Indian Scouts ever built, if it's not the baddest, it's probably top 2 or 3. I've seen some supercharged. I've seen we've seen some cool builds.
Yes.
But I've never rode any of those ones. So definitely this one is the baddest Scout I've ever rode.
I'll put it out there, and those builds are not done by dealerships. Those are built by shops.
Yeah.
So for a dealership, an Indian motorcycle dealership, to build something like this is the baddest one I've seen come from a dealership by far.
Yeah, I agree. So we're gonna go over this a little bit. I don't know what stuff you know, but Tito was supposed to come out here and help us with this. But just real quick, I mean, it has Öhlins front and rear. Bro. Suspension. The front suspension isn't even it's for a super bike. They had to redesign the triple tree.
Yep.
They put dual front rotors on there. On this side, it's chains driven. Big bore kit by Revolution Performance.
Yep, with cams.
With Andrew's cams. Oh, there's the guy.
Yeah.
There he is. Look at him.
Tails on the bike.
Look at him. All right. I'm not cutting none of it because we were just talking all kinds of stuff. So where are we? This is Tito Ceballos, my boy. You guys have seen him many times. First of all, on behalf of me and Davison Audio, thank you so much for letting us ride this.
Yeah.
Holy moly.
just hold your ass.
I'm probably gonna be pretty relaxed for a minute.
It's a pleasure, man. This is a beast. I wanted you guys to see what we could do to these bikes. And this is the best we've ever done on a Scout. I don't think there's one faster.
Yeah, it's a big push. I mean, the fact that a dealership is ballsy enough, I'm gonna use that word, ballsy, all right? The fact that you guys went all out, can you tell us just some of the things that you guys did that you could think of it real quick? I may have said it, I don't care, say it again.
Man, there's a lot to this bike. First of all, we lightened the bike up. Carbon fiber rims front and back, extended swing arm, chain drive, big bore kit, headwork, cam.
Well, rewind this. Am I trying to shoot a video? Rewind this. Come on, Vinny, do better, bro. Come on.
This thing's just rocking, man, front to back.
And then I was talking about the suspension Olean's front and back. The front, you guys had to triple tree it, new triple tree, right?
Right, we had to find a triple tree that was big enough diameter to be able to fit the Olin suspension on this bike.
We also got a speed shifter, or what is it called? Auto blip. We got an auto blipper in the house. You got a tachometer. I don't know what mirrors these are. These might be the freaking cleanest mirrors I've ever seen in my life.
Man, honestly, there's a good chunk of this stuff we had to get from overseas. The shops in the Europe area are doing a lot with these Scouts, a lot more than you see in the States. So a lot of this stuff we had to get from internationally.
Yeah. And then, I mean, blinkers are sick. It's just, dude, you guys did everything.
Yeah.
You know, the only thing that you could have did was put a damn speed bump on the back of that seat so we won't fly off, bro.
Yeah. Hey, you know, the joy of it, you got to pucker them cheeks and hold on. Sure.
But my glutes gonna be sore for like a day. I'm just saying, man. So on the dyno, you guys got what, 114 wheel horsepower? Is that correct?
Yeah, 114. We're at 6,000 feet. That's impressive, dude. You get down to sea level,
6,000 horsepower.
oh yeah, man, it's gonna be a lot. I don't know about 6,000, but it's gonna be up there.
Damn, that's what I'm saying. Like, there is, and this is the first time I've ever rode a bike with carbon fiber wheels on it, and yeah, they're getting after it. Oh, they're getting after it. They're getting after it. And there it is. She comes in hot. Woo, shit. You ain't got shit on her. You ain't got shit on her. Get off. Get off. Man, you guys do a lot of fun things here at Pikes Peak Indian Motorcycle. If it is amazing builds like this one, or your custom Indian Challenger that you have, your dad's Indian Challenger with a big bore kit. I mean, like, you guys, these are my friends. You guys have seen them on the channel. I'm just reminding everybody and maybe haven't. So if somebody wants to hit you up to build their Scout, or I mean, I don't know, what's something you haven't built? What Indian motorcycle haven't you built that you're like, hey, we're ready to do one?
Man, it's tough. We've done builds on the majority of them. I guess the Chief. I haven't done a whole lot with the Chief yet. I'm looking forward to doing one. We're doing a Springfield Classic right now. So we're going to go Vikla on it. So we're going to get a little Mexican.
Orale!
Yeah.
I love it. So you guys should check out Pikes Peak Indian Motorcycle. You know, honestly, one thing I can say is everybody at this dealership is chill. They're great to work with. Brandon, what do you got to say? Anything about these guys?
I mean, what isn't there to say about them? So we came up here.
First of all, are they the first Davidson Audio dealer?
So as you guys saw on our channel, this awesome man right here too took care of me on a bike. So big shout out to Will here. But the entire team here is awesome. As Fred already said, Pikes Peak Indian is the number one, not only the first, but the number one installer for Davidson Audio. They're authorized installers from us. Dude, they've done more packages with us since Durango Rendezvous than period. Like, they're blowing it out of the water.
That's 3 months.
Exactly. So I'll just touch base on it because on our channel we talked about it, but Tito's dad, when we were in Durango, he already had a system in his bike, so they built his bike, another shop locally did it. We set up there, his dad comes over, Lorenzo, love your family by the way. He comes over and he's like, hey, can we do that on my bike? I'm like, sure. So we hash out a deal, we do his bike, halfway through it, he's like, that's my wife's Elite over there, we're gonna bring that over too, do the same thing. I'm like, okay. And then we get set up and they're like, hey, we need 4 packages right away. So not only do these people build amazing performance bikes, dude, they'll build whatever you want from just, I mean, you guys did the, who was it? Not Toby Keith, but who was the country singer? You guys did like, you built Toby Keith in what? What was it, a week?
Yeah, in a week we built Toby Keith a bike.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was badass, man.
Dude, that bike was beautiful, and it was pretty much all like, it was like OEM plus, right? It wasn't a bunch of customer, but it was just like all the OEM stuff.
In a week, you can't go too custom on it, but it was OEM plus. He wanted to take a Springfield Classic, turn it into a vintage with a little fishtail touch to it. So we made it work.
Yeah, in a week.
He said fishtail. He got taste. He got taste. That's all I'm saying. But we can't say enough about you guys, your family, your dealership, all your employees. Which, by the way, half of them are all family. I mean, really, it is true. It's been a pleasure hanging out with you. Obviously, this is going to drop well after your 5-year anniversary party. But bro, congratulations on that 5 years. You guys are running number 3 in the 2 in the country right now, and
number 1 by the time this video hits. So.
Yeah, that's right.
Let's touch base on who are the 2 that you compete with. Like, dude, seriously, the 2 dealerships you compete with every year, all year.
Daytona Beach and Sturgis, South Dakota.
I mean, one of them has the biggest rally in the world, and the other one has 2 big-ass rallies every year.
I mean, truth be told, Colorado Springs, you guys have, what, 3 major rallies a year? You guys have...
We don't even have really major rallies.
Exactly.
The one big rally they had, they discontinued. So without any rallies, we've been crushing it, man. And well, we're a town of 400,000 people. This is not a huge city, and we're able to be able to do this, man. Is a blessing.
So I know you guys are almost at so we're in September. You're almost breaking your own record for the most bikes sold. You're just a few away, right?
Yeah, we're very close to our record for a full year, and we still got 3.5 more months to go. Like it's amazing to be at this point already in the year. It's just crazy to see how we've grown over the past few years.
So you guys, I just wanted to congratulate you one more time. Go ahead. We ain't trying to shoot no video or nothing, dude.
Right there, right there. You're gonna get it correct.
So, and
tomorrow, is it gonna be in the video tomorrow? Our celebration?
Oh yeah, I'll show some highlights for tomorrow. Oh, your celebration. Oh yeah. Hey, so before I end it, you guys got to check this out. Check out what happens and what happened with Brandon. Yet, but it had to be crazy. Dude, I'm living in the future. Nah, but really, I do want to say that I have felt like family with you since the moment I met you. We've been friends. We party twice in a day. That's all I'm saying, bro.
That's how that works, man. You start in the early AM, you finish in the fucking PM, man.
When you work hard, you play hard. That's all.
Hell yeah, you got to take the stress off you, man.
So, all right, you know what, guys? I'm going to end this. Congratulations to you, your family. Listen, you guys, if you have a custom build, they own their own performance company. They own powder coating company I got to see today. So they do a lot of in-house, just amazing stuff. And other than that, I appreciate all the opportunity. I'm super pumped to party with you guys. And holy crap, what year was this?
Yeah, it's a 2022.
Okay, 2022. Did it start life as a bobber?
Bobber 20.
Bobber 20. And you guys did extend the rear swing arm. We didn't even talk about that. Yeah, freaking crazy. So anyway, all right, guys, other than the riding position, yeah, it's freaking amazing. Look at that. Check that out. I mean, it is.
Perfect.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, perfect is right. Yeah, hey, but that's why they put such a big fender, so that way if you fall in there, you're not just wrecking yourself. Yeah. All right, guys, till next time, hit up Pikes Peak for anything you need. If you're in the area, or if not, they ship all over the country. And that's it. Ride hard, ride fast, and say hi to somebody you don't know. Peace. Ah!
Congratulations! Woo!
You got plenty of tread. Oh, I have a new tire waiting at home.
Woo! Show how flat it is. Who else can get burned out?